Well, I guess we're going to do a little update here. Been a little while since I've done just a regular video. So, not a whole lot's changed. It's just like it was the day before and the day before that and the week before that. Just kind of hanging out at the home base and just relaxing. I kind of made a decision. I keep getting asked in the streams, the live streams, if I'm going to go to the RTR. I guess so. I guess I'm going to go. I'm not going to stay the whole 2 weeks, so I'll probably stay 3 or 4 days, maybe at the most, and then take off. So there's some people that I want to meet up with, and just kind of check in, see what's going on with everyone. So I guess we're going to be doing that. The weather's been kind of warm. We spent all that time raining last month, and now it's kind of warming up in the daytime a little. Somewhere around 67 to 75. Just keeps bouncing around in that area. Been able to keep the AC off, that's for sure. That's a good thing. And what else? Temperature's been down around 57, 55 or so at night. So that's good sleeping weather as far as I'm concerned. If it was raining, then yeah, it'd be really good sleeping weather. So I'm not sure if y'all noticed or not, but this eye have been having trouble with it. It seems to want to close. I guess I've been told it's a lazy eye, whatever that is. So if you guys got any suggestions about how to fix that, short of saving 20 years off my age, ain't much I can do about that. Let's see what else. Some cooking videos. Yeah, I'm going to try to do some cooking videos. I don't know when. Like I was saying the other night, I hate cooking for myself. So, if I can find something that I can do that's economically feasible to do for the live stream and that, then yeah, to make another video like that, I can do that. And otherwise, I just kind of survive on what I can scrounge up. Bacon and eggs in the morning and maybe a sandwich in the afternoon, and then not much for dinner. I'm not a great big dinner person, so supper or whatever you want to call it. Let's see what else. Can't think of a whole heck of a lot now. I guess that's it. Talk to you later.